Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm sitting in a Defender Limited Max. I'm just about to install the Sport Panoramic Center Mirror. All you're going to need for the installation is a T30. You're going to undo these two screws right here. Open up the box. Inside the box, you're going to have the mirror wrapped up, your mounting bracket, and your screws that you're going to mount the bracket with. Okay, so you're going to get your bracket mounted up utilizing those two screws. Don't over tighten. And then with your mirror, you do have a lot of adjustment in this. This big knob on the side is what you actually loosen to control the functionality and adjustment of the mirror. So you can adjust the mirror, no tools required. The nice thing is this knob is going to firm up the plate over that ball so the mirror doesn't sit and move around or vibrate or anything on you. So you're going to simply grab your last Torx and install it from the back side. It's already got the Loctite on there for you. So we're just going to go back up and install this onto our bracket. And there you have the finished product. It's a very nice looking, very sleek looking mirror, big field of view. You're going to be able to see everybody in the back. Again, that adjustment knob on the back side, you're going to simply tighten that up to get it into the position. It'll lock into that position for you. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. There's your part number. We'll post up a link in the description below. Have a great day, everybody.